Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe is a fall favorite with mini pumpkin spice pies. These mini pies are packed full of flavor with warm cinnamon, pumpkin spice, creamy vanilla, smooth, rich, absolutely delicious. Let's get started. The full recipe will also be listed in the description below. You want to start by warming up 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, just the canned variety is just fine. This is where pumpkin pie gets the flavors. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice mix, and 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These are the flavors, and the combination together just gives this pumpkin pie that quintessential bursting flavors of fall. Warm that through, give it a good mix to warm up the spices, and then add 1 cup of heavy cream and go ahead and mix very well to combine and warm through. You don't want to bring it to an absolute boil, but you do want it to get kind of steamy and warm and turn into this sort of rich caramel color. Now set that aside, working with 3 whisked eggs, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and then whisk that very well to combine and dissolve the sugars into the egg mixture. Now temper the egg and sugar mixture with a little bit of the pumpkin puree. Because that is warm, you don't want to cook your eggs. Go ahead and add the sugar egg mixture to the pumpkin puree mixture and then combine very well, working quickly because again, you don't want to overcook anything here. Just combine until you get a very nice creamy consistency. So I'll be pouring about 1/2 cup of the pumpkin mixture into these mini graham cracker pies that have already been made in store-bought. You can make your own, whatever your preference is. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius for 25 minutes and cool to set completely. And there you have it. You're all set with these gorgeous little mini pies. I like this version. Top it off with a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkling of cinnamon for a pretty look, and an extra pack of flavor. Love this recipe. Easy to make. Hope you give it a try. Let me know how it comes out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. And if you're returning, thanks so much for being here. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Have a good day.